Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmons Essentials, bringing another original design, another holiday design. This is the white elephant knot for the white elephant gift exchanges out there. So let's go ahead and get started. This is my left side, it's at the belt line as usual. Come over here, we're just going to put a dimple in here. Going to come up and over, down around like this. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come around like this. I'm going to do that twice. There we go. Around my index finger. Then we're going to come underneath it like this. Going to come around like this. And there you have that. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come underneath this here. I want to keep this kind of stable. So I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to put that underneath there to kind of brace that. Then I have that there. Let me put this collar down and let's kind of adjust it here. Let's bring that up to the top there. So you got the ears kind of over here and you got the tusk. So there you have the white elephant. So again, on your side, my friends, you're fearfully wonderfully made. We'll see you in the next video. Again, follow me on Instagram at SimmonsEssentials. See you in the next video, guys.